So with that idea of the devil's in the details constantly kind of in your head moving forward, let's talk about one of the other details, and that is repetition versus variation. So you could probably see the verses of this song as a repetition, sort of. It's because it's just 1, 5, 6, 4 over and over again. All right? And the variation of that comes in when you play the choruses. So you have the 1, 5, 6, 4 that each verse has, just variated with C, F, C, G, or 1, 4, 1, 5. So in your verses you have, "Should I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town?" Just over and over and over again. Every lyric he sings, every sentence he sings is on top of those same 4 chords. And it isn't until you get to the chorus where the repetition gets variated, where the variation appears, which is the same thing as the intro, by the way. So, no man, no cry. No woman, no cry. So through that variation of the repetition, we now have 2 components to the song. Really the only 2 components you need to make any song, a verse and a chorus. If you want, you could add a bridge or an interlude or an intro and an outro. But really, all you need is a verse and a chorus. That's all Bob Marley used. And by the way, they're the same 4 chords. The 4 chords he used in the repetition are the same 4 chords he used in the variation. He just remixed them up a little bit.